Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove and clean mine filter in Bosch Washing Machine Series 4. So in the first step, push and open the cover of the filter. Now as you can see, there is a small blue element. To open it you have to turn it to the left side. Don't be afraid to use a little force. It works a little bit heavy. After that you can remove and clean the filter, but remember there is a risk of the water leakage. And after that just close it, and that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.